country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Shaun don't drag Sheggz into a fight with Wanni and her sister. And also, Fairme and Micky, where we say they just evict last Sunday, they don't come out for their post-show interview to come reveal shocking revelation about Cassia. And lastly, Wanni fans don't drag Cheesy of the Big Brother Naija Level Up season. They don't give am better woto over the housemate where in they stand this season. So Cheesy of the Big Brother Naija Level Up season, in na the second housemate wey be say fans don drag this season for standing double K. Una remember to say they first drag Chichi few days ago when Chichi come and say she's a lover of beautiful things. Chichi don dey talk that thing since she even dey inside and people that house say she be lover of beautiful things. She like love a lot, so that's why she dey support the married couple. Most Nigerians sef for this our country, we like people wey be say don marry. We like marriage well for this side. Now just the honest, I don't know about other African countries or Western countries, but for Nigeria, yeah, you see people wey be say don marry. They always give them special respect for this side. So Cheesy come out, they openly dey root for double K, and some people they not see am funny. So the person come out, they call am out, say e go good make e mate wey be say they'll go Big Brother. See me they make sure the ones where they inside, see me they make sure say they play the game well, so that when they come outside, they know will become admin for WhatsApp for another housemate where we say won't go into Big Brother show. So the person come say hustle, make you no go BBN, then become admin for another BBN housemate WhatsApp group. Come put laughing emoji. So people come dey ask, say who be the person? This one. People come out, come dey drop comments in a Cheesy. First person you can say na Cheesy, because this rubbish trend of the money is married and some gullible people follow him. Laugh at lad. Woman, on her mind no go touch ground. Another one come say who please. The next one say very anyhow and shameish guy, Cheesy ewu. Now all these type of insults now make housemates stop to the stand the any BBN person. I remember say last year when they do Big Brother Naija All Stars, the thing caused a lot of ex-BBNaija housemates to lose some of their fans because they actually stand certain people for the All-Star season where we say no situate with some of their fans and all of that. So that's why this year, if you notice, most of them are not going to talk anything for the housemates where they inside the show. It go good make we allow them make their stand. Good make we give these housemates the opportunity to air their view about housemates where they inside the Big Brother house. So onto Fairme and Micky matter. According to them, when they come outside, most of the housemates say they come outside, they always dey surprised when they hear say Cassia and her husband Kelly Ray they actually married. So two of them, they come ask them say how they feel about the fact say Cassia and her husband don't marry. So Micky cut us say the thing really surprised and say not surprised like that. Say but not to say they actually they married, and which is a very good thing. Say because he just they believe to say two of them are boyfriend and girlfriend. Fairme on the other hand, Fairme they claim to say in the suspect say something they very strong between the both of them. Say because there was one scenario where we say in the inside kitchen, Cassia could carry something stone for a nipple side. Now Kelly Ray, the thing vex Kelly Ray where he was so angry. But they try to calm Kelly Ray down, say no be something where we say they serious and all of that. Me for one, I understand why Kelly Ray go react like that, because to see this na reality TV show and na Nigeria na get them. We know as they be. Una remember Tega matter, wetin happen with Tega. So he just no want make people push certain narrative about Cassia and I make him react that way. Una listen to the interview for una sef.
Okay, so you get secrets when they inside the house. When I believe say as soon as come outside and I get to find out about the husband and wife. It's shock una. No, never suspect at any point.
No, guys, me I suspect the closeness. We put them for their body. We put them for
the only thing will surprise me be say they married, because definitely my mind is like okay they date serious relationship, only to come outside and figure out that they were married. So which is not even a surprise to me. It's actually a beautiful beautiful
like,
thing.
I see the clothes, I take elevation and lie. This kind of closeness. And you get one time when we say
you can't advise John.
Cassia mistake use something touch my my chest or something. Be like say this didn't touch my nipple small. He didn't do it on purpose. It was just play because she always stole me, push me around. The other girl are very stubborn girl. I don't know how viewers they see him. They will see and say the girl they say the girl stubborn. She they like push people way big pass him for that house. So she dey always find my trouble, so I didn't see it as anything. But the way Kelly reacted that day in the kitchen and all of that, was like, I said, guy, na pain, na kase the volume. Omo Kelly wey vex
so now I make you come start to the suspect.
I don't dey suspect things because of the way in they always care for him and all that. But that scene, I say, e dey deep. Even when Toby been dey put pressure for Toby Forge been dey put pressure for Cassia and all that, I dey see Kelly Ray reaction. Kelly Ray no just come dey like Toby that period, and I say this thing dey deep.
But you feel say
I don't hear wetin they talk now. I actually enjoyed that their interview because every time they talk for there, it just enter away. Fairme na such a sweet soul. So onto Shaun and Wanni matter. I remember say they quarrel few hours ago. So for inside diary section, Shaun come dey they cry as they narrate it. Big Brother come dey tell us say, but you know to say what you do this girl, it was not fair and all of that. Say he go good, make he go apologize to her. So he can't grow the balls to go apologize to the girl. Getting there, instead of Shaun to apologize, in the drag his friend Sheggz into the matter. So according to Shaun, as the apology wey say they giving they tell Wanni to say he don't go over the top so many times for their relationship, even up to 2 or 3 times. Say but Wanni on the other hand, say she never go over the top. So Wanni call the tell her to say it is not fair. Say you know fit talk like that because she too have made sacrifices for their relationship. Shaun called the tell her to say there was this time one of you guys wey be say be Sheggz, say the one wey be say don dey on the show Big Brother Naija show before. Say you get the time wey be say Sheggz offend am and he hurt him. Say na so he cut Sheggz off for a whole year. They not talk, he just cut the guy off. So that statement really trigger Sheggz fans because according to them, there's no need mentioning Sheggz inside apology wey be say you won't give. Say na gaslighting, they try to gaslight Wanni instead of just coming straight up say, babe, I'm sorry the way I spoke to you. Say I not talk to you in a right way. I'm not supposed to talk to you in that manner for where people there and all of that. Even where people not there, one can use Sheggz, they block the mumu thing wey be say he do, instead of taking accountability for his actions. So make we see how fans react to this thing where we say Shaun do. So the first person I could say nothing beats taking accountability. Shaun needs to unlearn certain stuff. Him saying I cut people off, even my family members and friends like Sheggz, when I am angry is bad. Same thing he did when he survived eviction. He congratulated every other person except Wanni ex-handy. What manner of anger is that? This is not about Wanni alone. This is not about Wanni only. Shaun needs to work on himself. Even Biggie told him. Anyways, I pray Wanni should weigh her options properly. This is not nice at all. Pride go way before a fall, but they should leave Handy out of this. It's draining on her already. I don't talk about before, say Handy don't suffer. All this one, maybe say people they just make they remove Handy, leave Wanni. I know what they talk. If they remove Handy, una go see say Wanni something really dey wrong with that guy. They tell you. So it go good say make they leave the two of them for inside the house because now Handy now they actually see things where we say Wanni no they see. If na me even Handy, I think I go keep malice with my sister for 1 week. See she won't go fool herself with Shaun. Man, I see whether she go feel live with Shaun without me. Another person come say take accountability. Gosh, boy, stop gaslighting her. Yo, my energy queen is not wealth. It runs far away. The last person here say, did he call her here to remind her that she has wronged him more times than he has wronged her, or to apologize for disrespecting her in public and buy that issue? What type of rationalization is this? Only 2 seconds. I'm sorry. We solve this 2 days issue then. When they are in a lighter mood, they can discuss about threats in themselves they are not comfortable with. The boy has a long way to go. He's still gaslighting her and talking about how her actions hurt him rather than how he is hurt her. To me, Shaun justifying his bad character na a very terrible attitude now he gets so without him knowing. So because you dey fight with person, you can take back all the care wey be say you don't give the person and the love. When it's good, you return it. Na so some people be for real life. If they fight with you, all the whole good thing, all the whole love and affection they don't show, they go throw am into the wind. Things they go only treat you right when una dey in good terms. If una not dey in good terms, they will treat you like dirty. I no believe say over 2 hours, Shaun never still apologize for that conversation when and Wanni dey get. And you know to say we women, if you just tell us I'm sorry, everything don't end. But this one no. Shaun ego too dey over the ceiling. You no fit even bring down yourself to say I'm sorry. Wanni just move on, make she play solo because she already get a very very solid fan base behind her. But if she says she won't continue to deal with Shaun, and if her fans Don't go remove handy, make only Wanni dey there. Oh, e go too bad. Una take care, una bye.